Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on Samsung Smart TV. And to do this, first you will need to connect your TV to the power source, then make sure that your remote is charged. There's the USB-C plug on it, so just put it on the charger for like half an hour. After that we can click on the power button on the remote and begin the setup. Right here during the setup, first option is to pick a language, and in this case I'm going with English, and you can see hi, that's hi in English, so we can click on OK and proceed. Next is two simple options. How would you like to get started? Choose one. So you can perform a setup using a smartphone or using a remote. In this case we're gonna go for remote control. Then we can pick our country or region. Now you can connect, you can see all of the options for connection. You can connect the antenna or HDMI and etc. In this case I don't have anything connected, so we can move to the next step. Make sure to click on next, or otherwise if you click on retail mode you will enter shop mode instead of the home usage for this TV. Now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi network. On the left you will see the list of all networks available. Pick whichever one you like and then enter password if there is one. Enjoy a wide range of smart features, and there's no way to skip this, so we need to start the setup. Sign in to Samsung account, and we can do it with remote control or a website, or if you don't want to, you can do it later. Without logging into your Samsung account, only the following features are available: live TV and external devices. So in this case I'm gonna skip it anyway. And now we can connect the antenna. And our setup is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.